What's up everybody, it's Kacha here and we're back with another fun project. This week we're creating rust and I have to admit I got a little scared there for a moment. I was like, oh my god, what have I done? But in the end, I really love the piece and I think you guys will too. We're starting with this dresser which I had for a year and I had no idea what to do with it until now. I'm keeping most of the hardware, but these handles had to go. And we will use some Dixie Mud to cover those holes. And of course, make sure to clean your piece well before starting. I saved these handles a long time ago and they are a pretty good match. I got these handles years ago for 25 cents each and I think they're perfect match to this hardware that was already on the dresser. This top is not real wood and I'm going to apply Slick Stick to play it safe. This is to make sure our paint sticks to the surface. This dresser is solid wood, but for some reason they put this not real wood top on it. Now for our base color, I'm going with Evergreen. It's a very pretty green color that I've never used before. And this guy's just so cute. He's into his mama. So much, like all the time around me. I did apply 2 coats of this for solid coverage. Okay, now we can let it dry and move on to creating some rust. And I love creating some rust. I love creating lots of rust. We're going to use iron from Dixie Belle Patina paint. I must say, this stuff is really cool if you're looking for some authentic looking rust. You start by painting it on like any regular paint, wherever you want rust. I'm going to put it on all the corners and borders, because that's where I want my rust to be. Here is what it looked like when I finish, and now we can add the patina spray. The patina spray activates the patina paint and start creating the rust. You literally just spray it over everything you painted. It is as simple as that. Once that's done, you just wait. The more you wait, the more rust you are going to get. I left it overnight, and this is what I returned to. It actually caught me by surprise how much rust I had. I was like, oh my God, what have I done? It was so much rust, and I wasn't expecting this much rust. But I quickly realized I'm in control here, and it was time to tone it back with some more evergreen. What I'm going to do now is slowly work it back with some dry brushing. We are going to get our base color evergreen, and we are going to make this look pretty, because now looks scary. I did end up using a smaller brush for more control in smaller spaces. Why dry brushing? Because dry brushing is going to give you that layered look, and that's what I'm trying to do here. I want to create a bunch of layers. How much of this you bring back is completely up to you. Some people love a lot of rust, and some people just want a touch of it. So just play with it and do whatever feels right to you. This is how I ended up. I wanted just a little bit of rust on the borders. I wanted my piece to look like it was rusting on the borders of the drawers. That was the goal. And I created this bunch of layers, and it looks so beautiful. And next, to bring it out just a bit more, I distressed the piece very lightly. Why distressing? Because distressing gave us even more layers. And I told you I love layers. Layers are fun and make piece look authentic. Again, around the edges and borders. I just love creating all those layers. I don't know what about me and layers, but I can do this all day, every day, night, all the time. I love layers. I think it's clear that now. Now for our final step, we will need some clear and black wax. Clear wax is for protection and black wax is going to age this piece even more and create more layers. We start by applying clear wax. This is going to make it easier to work with our black wax. And make sure to use a black lint-free cloth or t-shirt when working with darker colors. Now I'm going to apply some black wax on the corners and borders. And around my hardware too. And again, you want to use your cloth to pick up all the extra. Somehow I lost the footage of that, but it's the same as before. And to finish it off, I wanted my hardware to stand out, so I decided to use Gemstone mousse. Now you repeat that process throughout the entire dresser and it's done. Pretty crazy transformation from where we started. It took me a year to get inspiration for this piece. That's how bad it was. Like, I couldn't get through this piece and see a vision for it. But I finally did, and I am happy I waited for the right inspo for this dresser, because every piece deserves to be treated special. I really love the evergreen color and I really love rust. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time with a new project and more ideas. Bye guys. Bye everybody. Bye.